Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is Traveling44. Today's video, I'm going to try and introduce a new series that I would be doing on this channel. Basically, I'm going to call it the 744 builds. Essentially, what I'm going to do in this series is to just build something in 7 minutes 44 seconds. Obviously, the 44 has to be there, you know that. So we're going to build something in 7 minutes 44 seconds maximum. So I've got myself a timer here, if you can see that. Timer here, 7 minutes 44 seconds. And in this particular video, what we are going to build is actually easy. But before I go into that, let me create a new file here and name it weekday.py. Alright, so this is actually a project that a friend of mine gave me. And what he said, how he described the project was like this. A date will be given. If the date is given, they want you to output the weekday that the particular date corresponds to. So for example, today, as I'm recording this video, today's date is 8th October 2021. So the program will take in this date in a certain format and then to output Friday, since today is a Friday as I'm recording right now. So we are going to start our timer and we are going to actually build that. Let's get on with it. I really hope that this series will be fun because yeah, we have to do a lot of stuff. So I'm starting my timer. Okay, so to take the input, we have to, to take the date, we have to take an input from the user. So I would say the date is equal to input. And let's say we give a certain format. So maybe day, then they use a slash month and a slash 1, 2, 3, 4, something of the sort. That should be cool. So after we have gotten a day, we need to split the date into the day, the month, and the year. So to do that, this will bring back a string. So probably need to do something like this: day, month, year would be equal to should I try this? I don't know if it's possible, but let's try it. So not split lines, I want split, and I'm going to split it on this. So this will actually bring back a list. The dates that split to bring back a list of the day, month, and year, and then the tuple will convert that into a tuple, and I'm going to unpack it into day, month, and year. So right now I've got my variables. Now to actually send everything back to the weekday, to link everything to the weekday, I think I'm going to need the date time module. So at the top, I'm going to import date time as dt, and right here I'm going to do, what should I do? I believe the date time module gives back a number if you actually check the weekday of that particular date. So it will bring back 0 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 2 for Wednesday, and so forth. So I think I'm going to do weekday number should be equal to dt.date. I believe that date takes the year first, month, or let me try any of them. If it works, it works. So day, month, year, dot weekday. Yeah, I think we can do that. Let's go ahead and print weekday number on the terminal and see what we are going to get. So I'm going to save this and run the code. Okay, so me waiting for this, I think I should actually add some more time. I think I'll be able to finish this in 4 minutes. Anyway, it has finished. So I'm going to run this in the terminal. Right, so all of this is taking time. So I'm going to give today's date, which is 8/10/2021. Okay, yeah, we need to we need to use the map over here and change everything into an integer. So this is a list, we change it into an int, something like this, and let's try that again. So today's date is 8/10/2021. So they are saying that the day is out of range, which means that this should be year rather, and this should rather be day. I believe so. So we try that again, and we are going to give the same thing, 8/10/2021. Okay, 4. I think 4 is Friday based on our understanding. So if that's the case, then I think I should create a dictionary to link the numbers to the particular weekday. So I'm going to do a conversion, or let me call it weekday conversion. I'm going to set that to a dictionary where 0 would correspond to Monday, 1 would be to Tuesday. Can we type fast? And the time is going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. So we have so this would be Sunday. Oh, come on. This will be Sunday, this will be Saturday. This should be Friday. This should be Thursday. And this particular one will be Wednesday. Is that how to even spell Wednesday? Whatever happens, happen. I'm going to go like this. So I've got this, and this. So I've got my dictionary set up. So all I need to do is to make sure I print to the user that let me use an F string. The weekday is, and I can put this in curly braces, and that will be weekday conversion. And I'm going to pass in the weekday number. And I think we can remove this print statement now. And I think we are done. Yeah, that should be it. So let's try it. So if I go here and I run this code again, and I give today's date, which is 8/10/2021, and yeah, the weekday is Friday. So if I give let me try something, 31st of 09, well, that does not take 31st, that's 30th, and then 2020. I don't even know the date, but I'm guessing this will be correct because I trust my build. So that's basically it for this video. So I've been able to build it in less than 7 minutes 44 seconds. I guess the 44 seconds is helping me anyway, because obviously 44 is my friend, so helping me would be a good thing. So I've been able to build it in under 7 minutes 44 seconds. That's good. So that's basically it for this particular video. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this, because this will be a series going on. If you want to give me a question to solve in 7 minutes 44 seconds, feel free, comment down the question, like leave the question in the comment section below, and I'll go and check them out. And if you think my build is not correct, and then there's another way to or there is a more efficient way of building this, feel free, leave those in the comments. I'll check them all out. Thank you all for watching, and that's it for this video.